Guys, hello.
Hi.
Today we meet together, North Sulawesi, Indonesia, Team Extreme Spearfishing event, and today I can introduce you owner and designer from Mechanicsub. He has so nice stuff, so good stuff I never see. Today we will introduce you guns made by Kim, owner, designer from Mechanicsub. Now I will show you the stuff and Kim explain you something. Okay, enjoy guys. Look, you have two different models. Okay, look the detail, how good it's produced. Mechanicsub. Okay, look at this. Everything looks so nice. Tim, can you turn this gun? Yeah, and you also see very powerful guns, inverter system. Which length the smaller the wooden gun have? Which length from the barrel? Yes.
100 size gun.
100 size gun, yeah. 120 around the spear length. Around.
The spear length is 130.
130. Okay, okay. And the bigger carbon gun, which size?
This size we call 120.
120 barrel gun size. Okay.
Gun size, yes. And the shaft size is 150.
150. Okay. Looks so good. Kim,
yeah.
Maybe you can say me if someone will order a gun like this. Okay, how long time you need to produce? First question. Maybe you also have some ready guns, yeah. What you can ship. Okay, you have some guns. Which one is ready to shipping?
Yeah.
Have. Okay, no problem. Second question. Can you produce one gun if some customer like have bigger one, maybe 150? It's possible. Okay. Guys, I can sure say you the details and the quality of the guns so good. We will assemble this gun and show you the parts. Okay. About the gun, it's inverter system. Yes. How long is barrel? How long?
This barrel size is now 1 and 100. 1 and 10.
110. No problem. Everything okay.
Yeah, 110 size.
Okay.
So the 120 size.
Also. Okay. Have. Okay. The barrel. You don't make by self. Barrel, it's buy it. Yes.
I made by myself.
Make also by self this barrel? Really?
Yeah.
By self?
No, but I designed this one also, but it's from factory.
Wow. It's your brand also. Okay. Wow. Nice. Looks very good. Okay, but. Kim designed everything by self. If you see that, so many details, look so strong, look so good. Handle by self. Handle part. Mechanicsub. And you see the trigger also made by self. Looks so strong. So many details. Look so good. I asked him, Kim, but small spins you buy, sure? He said, no, I make myself. The spins also make by self. Everything what you can see here made by himself. Rubber also, Mechanicsub, very good rubber. The head from the gun, look, everything looks so good. Wow. Sir, I never see stuff like that. Very nice. And if you like order, I add the contact for my friend at the description in the video. You can directly write to him, can ask which gun you like. Worldwide shipping, it's no problem. Guns coming from Korea, handmade from our friend Kim. Okay, guys, thank you, bye bye.